Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this here is a swarm that I caught a couple of days ago. A fella called me and told me there was one that he wasn't able to pick up, so I went and got him. And this is them. And they've been locked up for a couple of days. Had to get them before all that wind came. And it was a pretty good sized hive. So we're going to look at them now and see how they're doing. I opened them up yesterday. So we don't even know if there's a queen in here. We're hoping, but if there's not, we'll just add a queen cell or mix them up with another split or something. But we think there's a queen cell in there. See, there's a pretty good bit of bees. That one's the frames was built out, but there wasn't anything on them, so we're going to see what's happening down. We're going to give them some more food. Like I said, they've only had a couple of days. There's slide that one over. This is a frame that was kind of tore up and shouldn't even put it in there, but it's what I had at the time. It was about 6 o'clock when he called me. It's about 11, 12 miles away. Gets dark at about 6:45 to 7 o'clock. So all I knew is I had to go get him then. And I did. Wish we had a video of that. I don't expect to see a whole lot, but they're acting friendly, so there should be a queen here. There, no, that's a drone. We're going to put an empty frame in here. And we'll come back in a couple of weeks and see how they're doing. You figure the only food that they had was what they brought with them. There's a little girl here doing a wiggle dance, so she found something somewhere. One's up here. Yes, I need to turn them all right. Pretty good bit of bees in there. And we're going to take this one. We're going to mark it. And we're going to date it. $3.27. That way we can tell how good they're doing. And we're going to drop it right here. And this is going to be hive 115 east fence. Okay. Give them some pollen patty here. Give them a whole bunch because they don't have any. Okay, they're jumping on the pollen already. Give them some food. Well, I brought the pine straw. What'd I do with it? Oh, there it is. Now they'll have something to work with. Put them a couple of quarts in there. There they go. And we'll come back, like I say, in a couple of weeks. And see how they're doing. Like I say, this is going to be hive number 115 east fence. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I did. But that's them. They have a little hole right here they're getting into. I figure they can guard that until something happens. Right there. I don't know if my head was in the way or not. But that's it. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bee. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. Subscribe. They look like they're doing okay though. Y'all have a great day. Bye.